Nutrients from a large variety of vegetables are important to feed our mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. This soup offers that. Now moms, if your family doesn't like zucchini and squash, there's really no need to tell them they're in here. Start by chopping your broccoli into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. I'm going to fit my food processor with a grating blade and grate my remaining vegetables. You can certainly chop your vegetables with a knife, but if you have a food processor, it allows for quick prep. Then add all of your vegetables to a large stock pot, along with a quart of chicken broth or chicken stock. Add about 2 teaspoons of salt, as well as the garlic, and enough water to just cover the vegetables. Then bring this to a boil. Once it boils, reduce it to a simmer for at least 45 minutes or up to 2 hours. When your soup is about ready, steam your broccoli until crisp tender. While it's steaming, use an immersion blender or a regular blender to blend your soup. The potatoes in this soup give the soup a thicker, creamy texture without adding dairy. Adjust your seasonings, add your steamed broccoli, and you're ready to serve. For other power-packed delicious recipes, try Italian vegetable soup, homemade granola, or health nut salad. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe.